Hi guys, welcome to lesson 14 of the second grade worksheet, and today we're going to learn about pennies, nickels, and dimes. So looking at the picture here, a penny is 1 cent, and it looks kind of copper and orange. So the first box is a penny and it is 1 cent. The second box is a nickel and it is 5 cents. And a nickel looks like these two. And the third one is a dime and it is 10 cents. And even if it's 10 cents, it's a little bit smaller than the nickel when you compare these two. The dime is a little bit smaller and the faces and the back is different. So make sure you know and you can tell the difference between all those. And let's try number 1. So the first two is a dime. This is a dime because it looks like the picture at the top. And the next two is a nickel. And the other one is also a nickel because it looks like the nickel right here. And the last one is a penny, which is P. And then a dime was 10 cents. 10, nickel is 5, and penny is 1. So if you add 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1, you will get what number? When you add all those numbers up together, you will get 36. So that is 36 cents. Let's try number 2. The first coin is a nickel, and a nickel is 5 cents. And all these orangish color coin is a penny, so all of these will be 1. And if you add those all together, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, you will get 10. 10 cents. Next page. Let's try number 3. So the first 3 coins look like the same, and these are all what coin? It is a dime, and a dime is 10 cents, so these 3 are 10. And the orangish copper coin is a penny, and a penny is 1 cent, so all of these are equal to 1. And 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 33. So it is 33 cents. Number 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes. So that is 10, 10, 10, and 10. And the last two are what coin? A nickel, and a nickel is how many cents? 5. So it's 5 and 5. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 40 plus 10 equals 50. So this will be 50 cents. Next page. Ordering time review. Put in order from shortest to longest. Example, 25 months, 1 year, 53 weeks. And from shortest to longest, 1 year is the shortest, and then it's 53 weeks, and then 25 months. Remember, 1 year is 12 months. 52 weeks is 1 year, and that's kind of all you need to know. 1 year is 12 months, 12 months is 1 year, 52 weeks is 1 year, and 1 year is 52 weeks. Okay, so let's try number 1. We have 57 weeks, 11 months, and 1 year. So which one is less than a year? So 52 weeks is 1 year, so that is 57, so it's over a year. 11 months is less than a year because 1 year has 12 months, and 1 year is 1 year. So 11 months is the shortest, so you will write 11 months first. Then you'll write 1 year, and then you will write 57 because it is over 52. Let's try number 3. 2 months, 3 weeks, and 47 days. So 3 weeks is less than 2 months, and 47 days, there are, let's see, it's right here. There are 30 days, like about 30 days in 1 month, and around 4 weeks in 1 month. So let's see here. The least will be 3 weeks because it is not a month yet. And then it'll be 47 days because it is a little over 30. And then 2 months will be the greatest amount. Now let's try number 4. 5 weeks, 2 months, and 85 days. So let's think for a second. The least will be 5 weeks because remember, 4 weeks is about a month and 5 weeks is a little over 1 month. So 5 weeks is the shortest compared to the others. And then it'll be 2 months. And then 85 days because 85 days is a lot over than 2 months. Okay, last page. Number 1. Carl has 2 nickels, 5 pennies, and 1 dime. How many cents does he have? Okay, remember, 1 nickel is 5 cents. So if he has 2, oops, let me do that again. This is 1 nickel and it is 5 cents. And he has 2 of them, so he has 2 nickels. Then he has 5 pennies. So let's do penny in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 penny is how many cents? 1 cent. So it's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then Carl has 1 dime. And 1 dime was how many cents? 10 cents. So now you're going to add all the numbers together. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. And then we have a 10. And 10 plus 5 plus 10 is 25 cents. Remember the cent symbol. Jen has been traveling around for 3 weeks. How many days has she been traveling around? So, in 1 week, there are how many days? There's 7 days. And she's been traveling for 3 weeks. So, 7 is 1 week. That's 1 week. Another week plus another week for 3. Those are 3 weeks. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21 days. Number 3. Tina has 3 nickels, 1 penny, and 2 dimes. How many cents does she have? Let's do this again. Oops. Okay, 3 nickels. 1, 2, 3. And how much did 1 nickel equal to? 1 nickel is 5 cents. So 5, 5, 5. And 1 penny is 1 cent. So just a 1. and 2 dimes. And a dime is how many cents? 10. So 10 and 10. And now can you try and add all of those numbers up together? And the final answer should be 36 cents once you add all of these numbers together. Now let's try number 4. Andy played guitar for 58 weeks. Sarah played it for 19 months. And William played it for 2 years. Who played the shortest? Who played the longest? Write them in order from shortest to the longest. Okay, so remember, let's look at the weeks first. 1 year is 52 weeks, and 58 weeks is a little bit over 1 year. So that's pretty short compared to the others because 19 months is a lot over 1 year because there's 12 months in 1 year and 19 is a lot over. And William played it for 2 years, so William automatically outruns Andy and Sarah because 2 years is a lot more than 19 months and 58 weeks. So Andy would be the shortest. Andy played it for the shortest amount of time. And then it would be Sarah. And lastly, William played the longest. Alright, that is it for today, guys. You guys can go back and try the questions we didn't do together on your own. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!